Mommy!
Hey kids! Let's learn the days of the week. Monday. Monday is the first day to go amusement park. Tuesday. Tuesday is the second day to go aquarium. Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day to go museum. Thursday. Thursday is the fourth day to go park. Friday. Friday is the fifth day to go planetarium. Saturday. Saturday is the sixth day to go zoo. Sunday. Sunday is the seventh day to go beach. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday.
Click the like